will create a video for about how to create easily profile backlink with a high authority domain site. So first of all, we'll open a browser and click GAPH icon. Okay. Then we'll open the first site of our Mojo, and then we'll check our website DAP and its check the robotics and then check GP. Well, we can see that this site has a high TA 92 and PA 75, and the speed score is only 1. So this site is best for creating our profile backlink. So we'll go to this site. Well, create start publishing or sign in. Yeah. So we are new in this site and there is no account, so we'll create start publishing. Well, create your account. We'll type our email. Okay. Then agree and continue. And type our name. Say there is our bio. We have a bio. Just wait a minute. You can get here. To create this profile backlink for this site, so I can grab something from this. Well, we just added this line for bio. Well, then if you want to add your user Instagram, just drop your username. I don't you want to add, so there is nothing to continue. Shorter way on. This bio within 250 characters. Academy subscription. If you get the perfect URL, then okay. If you want to make change something, add or you just you can do it. I have learning academy. This is the perfect one for me. Continue. Just add an image for your site logo. You can also skip this. I add this for a better focusing or understanding. Okay, we skip now. Add subscriber. Skip now. Skip. Continue. Okay, everything is okay now. Just we can see the overview of our site. This is our account and we can change our profile picture. Click here, edit profile, click. Okay, we can change our profile image from here and select my logo. Okay, this is perfect. Click done. Okay, this is my username and this is my profile name and this is my bio. If you want to add your social link, you can add here. Website must be your website which sites you want to do your backlink. Okay, I'll do this backlink for this website, so I'll add the link on this. Okay, click send. Well, everything is done, so we can visit our site. Clicking done. Now this is looking nice. Open an academy. This is our username and this is a short bio. We also add our link when someone click here and go to our website. Hope you can understand it. Thanks.